Good morning, students. Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 3rd, an empire across 3 continents. This is module 9. Now we will discuss about the social hierarchy. Social hierarchy. You know the hierarchy, a system, a pattern which is according to the ranks or according to the post. For example, if we see in our family, the father, the mother, the son, the brothers and sisters, like this is the hierarchy system. And in the same manner as it was into the Roman Empire also, the king was there, the senate members were there, the army was there, and the common people and the slaves were there. So there are some of the views that we should know about the hierarchy. The rank post, that was the first was there, that was Tacitus. He was a ruler, he was a king. And what about the views of that? He was saying that the senate members are rich, a lot of wealth is also there. They are, you may say, the army person also are rich, a lot of facilities are available to them, and good houses are there. Tacitus is of that view that these are the elite group, these are the bureaucracy members, aristocrat families who are very rich and prosperous, and they are having a lot of wealth. That was of the view of Tacitus in means of what? That about the senate. We have earlier discussed about this also. These were the wealthier person. That may be businessman, that may be farmer, or that may be aristocrat family. What about the middle class? These views were there. Middle class were, you may say, that worked in circus and theaters. That works in circus and theaters. That type of the views were there. Theaters that were of the view. It means he was saying that these are the common people who are not having any of the money, any of the thing. They are only the person that are surviving on this world. And the least category that were of the slaves. We had discussed in earlier that they did not have any of the freedom. They were at the least category, no rights. They are on this earth only for their masters, and if they create panic, then they are to be punished. So these were the views of Tacitus. Earlier we had discussed. Now another person is there who is also having about this view, but he had different views. Constantine. Tacitus, Constantine and Octavian, these were the rulers in 5th and 6th century. They did a lot to improve the condition of Roman. Constantine won. He was also a powerful ruler of its time. Okay. What about that? Senate members. What about the view? Senate members were rich, even from Africa, and other parts of the world. World means that area that was under the control of Roman. That may be any of the province, any of the area. And what about that also, even non-military backgrounds can also be the senate member. We had discussed in provinces. New provinces were coming, new, you may say, relations were developing, and these new relations were forming senate members. Constantine was also a view that a lot of new things are coming, and these new things that will help in the senate members. Gallienus, we had discussed that he forbade the earlier senate members to work or serve in the army. We had seen the example. So it means that were very important part of this. Okay. And what about the middle? He was also viewed that they were rich, a lot of wealth were there, but new things were also coming in senate. The middle class, that was a vast one. We may say middle class were some members of imperial family also. Some members were of imperial. It means that may be having background or relation with any of the bureaucratic member. Okay, that may be now you may say even the businessman can also be the part of this, because new and new things were coming. Now the rate or you may say the situation or the hierarchy of senate member was also you may say becoming more and more, and middle class was also expanding. So new things will come in middle class. In Tacitus we had discussed, he was only the person who were working in theatres and circus, they were middle. But here farmers were there, businessmen were also there, that were included. Were imperial businessmen and other workers or other persons we may say. It means what is there, that middle class was expanding. A lot of new things were coming in that. That may be in the form of money or that may be in the form of men. Both men and money, that was okay. So senate member were various, no doubt, but some of these middle classes, they were also growing because new and new things, new profession may be there, new money, new type of the things that were coming, so that were also included. Okay, and third were the slaves. But here the definition of slaves has been there. This it may be the farmers or the laborers, that we or even artisans. So it means now the definition has been changed. These were of the view that the social hierarchy was followed and it was according to the rank, according to the post, according to the you may say economic condition. So Constantine views were different, Tacitus different views were different. Okay, now next thing was their most important in Roman civilization. The silver coins were used more. Silver mines were there in Spain. Spain and Italy, silver mines were there. Now they were extinct. Okay, so if these were extinct, then there were some of the problem. Okay, maximum was there. Silver coins were used, but after extinction, then gold was used. Because earlier they were not aware about the gold, only silver coins were maximum used. That what, but when the silver was over, the gold start, and a lot of also problem that also started. We will discuss this next module.